now we have the higher order homogeneous differential equation, d squared plus 1 times d squared plus 4d plus 5 all squared applied to y equals 0. So the characteristic equation is r squared plus 1 times r squared plus 4r plus 5 squared equals 0. This is a square difference involving I. We will have r plus I times r minus I squared is minus 1 times minus would be plus, so we will have r squared plus 1 times, here let's try to complete this square, well, whatever it be, could be squared. So r squared plus 4r, half of this is 2 squared is 4 plus 5 minus 4. If I'm adding 4, I will subtract minus 4. I will subtract 4. So r plus I times r minus I times r plus 2 squared plus 1, all this is squared, equals 0. Again, this is a square difference involving I, would be r plus I times r minus I times r plus 2 plus I times r plus 2 minus I all squared equals 0. So I have r plus I times r minus I times, let's put this square times this square, is r plus 2 plus I squared times r plus 2 minus I squared equals 0. So we have r is equal to plus minus I, this and this, and here once minus I plus I, r equals to minus 2 plus minus I, and here I have it twice, again we will just need this solution, well, the root of r equals I, or here r equals minus 2 plus I, because each one of these has two solutions. R equals y has a solution cosine x plus sine x. So I would say y is equal to, this would be e to the 0, because here I have 0 plus minus 1. So just c1 cosine of x plus c2 sine of x plus e to the minus 2x times c3 cosine of x plus c4 sine of x. I will continue here plus, because I have twice, it is e to the minus 2x times x, again c5 cosine of x plus c6 sine of x, or I could put it as y equals c1 cosine x times c2 sine x plus, I could say, let's factorize the, here I could add this cosine x with this cosine x, and I would have, well, first let's distribute this. It would be e minus 2 to the x, e to the minus 2x, c3 cosine x plus x e to the minus 2x cosine is c5 cosine of x plus e to the minus x, e to the minus 2x, c4 sine of x, plus x e to the minus 2x, x e to the minus 2x, c6 sine of x. So I have y equals to c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x plus, here I have this c3 cosine of x, and here c5 cosine of x, this part, I could put it as e to the minus 2x, that multiplies c3 cosine of x plus c5x times cosine of x, the same here, plus e to the minus 2x times c4 sine x plus c6 x sine x. So I could say y is equal to c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x plus e to the minus 2x. I am factorizing this. That multiplies, let's say c3 plus c5x cosine of x plus here c4 plus c6x sine of x. Here I put it like this, c3 and c5 here. There is other people that do this, but they put here c3 and c4, and so c5 and c6. But there is the same. We're using that they are constant and they are different constant. So this, well, each one of these or this is the solution to this higher order homogeneous differential equation. See you next video.